about to go in right here. Yeah. Yeah. Stay there until you come up.
Good guys, back 2018. Street Runners in the building, official. Steady moving things, making things happen. Projects coming soon. Brother got a new garage jumping open. Hey, it's a lot of things been going on, guys. I hadn't had a chance to vlog, but hey, we're gonna change that today. Making things happen, man. New project on the way, man. This is the man that makes it happen. Remember that face. That's the face that never lies. Oh, and I can't forget Mr. Not Interested himself. But yeah, I'll tell you guys, a lot of things going on, seriously. A lot of things that's been changed. Updates on the Maxima. Updates on Kenese Honda. I got a new brother I just showed you, Dennis, Lexus. It's a lot of things going on, man. We've been blessed to meet the brother. We've been knowing him for a little bit. Got a shop. So a lot of things going on, guys, and we just, got to bring it to you, man. Show you guys how we doing it, man. Got T's, Z in the shop, actually currently working on that. And I think we got Antonio's car out the other day. We worked on his, which is a red Honda. I got to show you guys that one. You've only seen it in videos of going to Galveston, but I'm going to give a chance to show you that car. I think we actually got to do some detailing to that car today, so I'm kind of wondering how that's going to go, guys. But yeah, see you guys in a little bit. You know how we doing it, man. Keeping it moving, keeping everything as it is. Nothing but love. So check this out, guys. I'll tell you guys, I'm gonna bring you up into the shop. You see, guys, like cars in the background. Sorry about that, guys. A little windy out here. But yeah, so we're at the shop now. This is my first time. I'm gonna show you guys the shop now. So tell you earlier, my brother Dennis got the shop. So earlier what we was doing, we was picking up a car. The car we was picking up was Teddy's car. You guys seen the Civic before, so now since the last time you guys seen it, it's been in the wreck, and it's been a while. You've seen it being posted as far as on the videos going to Galveston. So this is Teddy's car. So Teddy's like, one of the younger members of Street Runners. He's a very cool, wonderful person. Graduated high school, very humble, motivated. I mean, he's like the life of the party, guys. So he wanted to be a Marine. He went in for Marine Reserve, man. He got accepted. Fendi, you guys out there military know that's kind of hard to get into. So he stuck to the plan. He stayed disciplined, he stayed determined, so he got it. So this car right here was his first car he ever owned, first everything. So Teddy's been in the service. He's already finished his training. So now he's going. I think he got deployed to go to school. He got a couple things he got to do. So I think Teddy's gonna be gone about 3 months. So guys, in the process of being gone, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix his car up. So the game plan is to fix the car up, have the car fixed up for him, and everything like that. So as you can see, guys, here we're at the shop. Customers coming in. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get everything going. So we fit do now and start taking the motor out. So while Dennis is dealing with the customers, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what we get. This is the inside bay. This bay here is gonna actually be the paint booth. So you can already see we got the lift in here already. This is one of the Z's that you guys have seen in the previous videos, Street Runners, when we was actually going to Galveston and stuff with the big wing that was on the back of it. So what we're doing with this car here is we're going to actually do the upper oil pan replacement on this car. So I can show you guys part of the shop. Now, like I said, this is a paint booth, but at the moment we're also using it as two-way setup. We're doing like the work here to get this car done and get this car out. So this is the issue that we had. You see in there? It broke. So what happened was, guys, is on the Z it has an oil pressure valve that you guys see on the inside, where it has like a little sensor, and they had over tightened the sensor and they broke it. So that's why this car is down and we have to get everything done. Now, in order to replace this, you're gonna either have to do 2 ways. You drop the frame on the guys, or you can take the motor out. That's what the harness is for, to lift it out and take it out. And after we do that, guys, we're gonna go ahead and pull it up, take it out, replace it while it's out. It's gonna be a lot easier. Now on my Z, guys, I have a water pump issue that's messed over mine, and with a DQ you definitely have to do your timing. So we found a different way to do it on mine. So essentially mine is gonna be in here too, guys. I'm gonna also record it. All the front of this is gonna be taken off, and then when we do mine, I'm gonna also do my timing on this side. So we're gonna take the lifter off to loosen it up, and then we're gonna also take the opening over here, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and pull it out, replace it. So that's how I'm gonna do mine. It's gonna be easier, so that way I can kind of stay away from dealing with my timing. But one thing about the DQ motors, if you do mess up when you do the process of it, you're going to have to do the timing. That's something I'm not trying to do, guys, but hopefully trial and error we're going to learn. So that's why we got this one in the shop first. Now when this car come back out, it's going to have fender setup. This did have the wide body setup on it, but we don't have it now. So we're going to do something different on the different wheels. So there's a lot of things that's going to come in the future that you guys know. But what we're doing now is we're going to go ahead and pull this motor out. So that's why we got everything set up with this motor. So these are videos and stuff, guys, I haven't been able to get to you. So I got to get the stuff back going to you guys, let you guys see what's happening. Because daily, I'm at the shop all the time with my brother, man, and we always up here doing something, whether it's detailing cars, whether it's doing engine work like this. I mean, working on the Range Rover. There's a lot of things that we're doing, guys. So we're just trying to make stuff happen. So yeah, guys, I told you guys I'm gonna get back to doing this vlogging, bringing these videos to you, giving you this in depth, giving you good quality, and we back. So this is gonna make this thing official. So without further ado, this is Dennis. This is the coolest guys I'm telling you guys about. This is the head mechanic. Kania is still the advisor. Is the mechanic for the squad, and this is what we're doing, man. So everything that we do, like I say, guys, we try to stay motivated in every way. Now we're gonna find another shell. We actually had a red one, but it had got sold. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna look for either another coupe, regardless of the color, or maybe a hatchback. So those are the things that we're gonna kind of look for, guys, to get everything going, dealing with this car in particular. Now, the things I was gonna tell you guys about on the Maxima. The Maxima, I've done different things to the Maxima, guys. You already seen when I did the exhaust on it, the intake on it. I had it on 22s. Well, that changed. Now I'm getting the car ready for IFF. Not IFF, I'm sorry about that, guys. Import face-off. So, IFO. So now what I'm doing now, guys, I actually took, the car's dirty, so I'm still gonna show you. I actually took my work wheels off my Z and I put it on the Maxima. I dropped the Maxima. So you see now, I'm on works. Now the ground is a little uneven. It's about an inch and a half, 2 inches off the top part of the tire. So I'm going to actually sit in and get the camera and stuff done. I'm going to go with just a little size tire on the front tire because these actually would stretch more for the Z because of the amount of camera and what I was running. But for this car, it's not going to be easy. So yeah, guys, I'm running my VS work wheels on this car right here. Still got the same setup, the grill, took the lip back off, touched up the lip with the paint. Got everything going good. Trying to give it a real good, nice stance look that you guys can see. But definitely going to do camera in the back. I think I'm going to go with -2 on the back. If I need more, I will. I am definitely going to roll the inside. I hope you can see what my finger is. I'm going to roll this upper lip here. I'm not going to pull the panel. I'm not going to do any pulling, but we're definitely going to roll it. And that's pretty much what we're going to do with this car. Now, this Honda over here that I was telling you guys about earlier, this is the Accord 92. It's my boy's daily. So what we're going to do with this car is, the car had got painted. Now, what happened was he parked the car under the tree, and he ended up getting all the sap on it. So as you guys can see, it looks horrible. So we're going to have to redo a lot of things on this car, guys, because it just wasn't, honestly, it just wasn't taken care of. So we're going to sand this car down, wet sand it, and then after we wet sand it to get the sap off of it, guys, it's going to be repainted, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm pretty sure he's going to get it clear coated, or if not, he's going to get a bra on it. I'm not really for sure what he wants to do with it. It's my boy Antonio's car, but it's still in great condition in that. But just like I said, man, guys, it got painted and it just wasn't taken care of. So you can see they had already started trying to wet sand it to get some of that sap off of it before we actually clean it up and put it back in paint. So man, I'm pretty sad to say that the car looks the way it does. I still love the car. He loves the car, but it was a lot of work that actually kind of went into getting it ready. And I think it went down because of alternator issue and ended up sitting under the tree, guys. So, you know, Mother Nature is your worst enemy, especially if you don't have a car cover for your car. But anyway, guys, that's so much dealing with that. See the location where we at, guys. So, like I said, it just feels good to be vlogging again and getting things going, man. So, yeah, guys, so we're going to keep things going, get everything back up on this car, keep it focused.
Anyway, because the axle's off.
Yep. So you see, guys, we just pretty much radiator, AC condenser, power steering is loose. A lot of the connectors, fuel line has been taken off. So yeah, guys, we're just slowly working our way through, taking everything off and disconnecting everything because we're gonna still use this motor. So everything that's pretty much is salvageable. The engine is in good condition. Just had a few minor things like leaks and stuff, guys. We're gonna tighten all that up, but yeah. The idea is to get it going. The idea is to get this guy's car fixed. We can stop messing up the car. Yes, you, Antonio. We gotta definitely get that paint job back to where it was, sexy. Wow.
Oh, it should be 5 hours.
There you go. Get it off there.
Yep. Big red.
Yeah, guys, so
You're not going down.
this is what it is, getting everything ready. Like I said, we get ready for IFO. We're trying to get everything done. Every car complete. My boy Oliver car should be here later on. I'm going to show you guys what his car look like. You've only seen it in the videos, but I'm going to give a chance to show you what his car look like up close and in person. Supposed to be doing tires, getting tires ready for his girl car. So, and I think she has a newer Camry. So we got to get everything ready, guys. Like I said, it's going to be a big event. We're going to be vlogging. We're going to get everything going for IFO. We're going to, like I said, we're going to have a lot of fun, guys. And that's the whole goal, is to keep everything going, keep everything moving, keep everything fresh. But for the most part, guys, I mean, we just loving it, just enjoying it. But like I said, it's a small shop, guys. Great things is going to come. We're going to expand it more. This just one side I showed you. I hadn't even showed you the other side, guys, and showed you the inside. But yeah, we're gonna make our way over there and get everything going, get everything looking good. But as of right now, this is our priority for today. Really, this just was a random thing. We brought it here today, but we had a few other things. But because the parts ain't came, we decided to jump on this. So that's honestly really why we're already doing this right now. So that's just pretty much the game plan. You know, we stay random, guys, and like to bring the DIY video stuff to you guys as much as we can, as quick as we can, and you know, make it possible. So I appreciate you guys for sticking around this long, watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, guys, to leave comments. If you want to know what a shop location is in the Houston area and you want to get anything done in your car, quotes, estimates, paint, dips, wraps, whatever. Well, we don't wrap yet, but we do dip and we do paint. So just hit me up, guys, and we'll get everything done, get everything back to you guys quick as soon as possible. I will answer you guys if you message me or you leave a message or something. So yeah, guys, but as of right now, guys, we're dealing with this right now. Anything change as far as if it actually comes out, then I'll go ahead and you know, cut back on so you guys see it. But other than that, guys, just want to say peace, love, we out.
DJ Jones.
Oh yeah. Yeah. All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas.